Today I would like to talk to you about our Survivor Series polycarbonate doors. This door has been specifically designed for corrosive environments to provide long-term reliability and minimum maintenance even in high cycle, high use application. Our Survivor Series was originally designed for the car and truck wash industry, but there are many other applications: water treatment facilities, dairy farms, DOT stations, fertilizer plants, really any corrosive environment you can think of. The Survivor Series will be a great match. The Survivor Series doors feature a tough, translucent, multi-wall polycarbonate panel with a heavy-duty aluminum frame designed to provide maximum watershed and keep your door from holding water or dripping water on a clean car once the door starts opening. The meeting rail of each panel are tongue and groove with beveled edges to shed moisture and keep the wind out. The Survivor Series has a 5/8 inch polycarbonate panel that is translucent, corrosion-proof, shatter-proof, and offers distinct appearance that attracts customers while maximizing inside visibility and providing around-the-clock customer security and comfort. Our insulated wash bay doors are designed for high use, high moisture, tough environments that require a solid, heavy-duty insulated section. Both our 2-inch and 3-inch panels feature a sandwich-type, high-strength section that uses extruded polystyrene insulation, which provides minimal moisture absorption and has maximum thermal protection. There is one big reason why we chose to use extruded polystyrene in our doors as opposed to expanded polystyrene or polyurethane. Extruded polystyrene retains almost zero water, making it the best possible choice for doors used in a wet environment. If you live in a climate that gets below freezing in the winter, the last thing you want is for your brand new door to absorb moisture and freeze, causing expensive damage and downtime. Our wash bay doors come standard with a tongue and groove meeting rail to shed moisture and can be combined with any of our special hardware packages to create the door system that matches your building's individual needs. Insulated windows and other numerous options are also available to make your door all it can be. As you can see, our door systems are ideal for tough, wet, corrosive, dirty, or high-use environments. If you have any more questions, please feel free to give us a call at 1-800-233-1487 and let our experience go to work for you.